Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here in my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video. Talking about uploads, I have a little message for you guys. So I was here chilling and I was thinking to myself, while I was refreshing my face before making this video, and I was thinking to myself, I need to tell people that watch my videos the changes that are gonna occur in my channel. The major is just my upload times are gonna change a little bit. Instead of every Friday, now it's gonna be every other Friday. And it isn't because I'm lazy. It's just because I started this channel when the semester... Oh, this is falling. Don't fall. The semester in my college was really easy. The spring semester just started and now it got a little bit harder. And I need time to focus on that because that's what's most important to me. And also work and my friends, my boyfriend, my family, life. So I think for the health of this channel is better if I upload every other Friday. Coming back from what is important, today you may think, Daniela, why on the hell you chose green, orange and white to recreate the look from today? I didn't choose green because I like it. I just chose it because St. Patrick's Day is coming and I thought this was a great idea to create a look with colors that we normally don't use, and so you can recreate it that day and have fun with colors. I know that green is a scary color, but you have to agree that this look looks insane pretty. Anyways, if this video sounds like something you would like to see or something that you're interested in, don't forget to give me that thumbs up down below. And let's start with this St. Patrick's Day makeup. Hi guys, welcome to my face one more time. And now that you're zoomed into my face, let's get these hairs out of the way. Let's start, shall we? Today we're not in a rush, we don't have a timer, so we can take our time. And of course, you may wonder, oh my god, how you make that perfect line with your hands. I don't. Let's put it in. So first things first, let's prime our eye, and I'm using, like always, this soft ochre brown long wear paint pot from MAC in the color B39. I use prime, so let's start and put that beautiful green. This eye make some magic and colors into this lonely pale eye. Of course, if we're using crazy colors, we had to use the palette that have them all, well, most of them. And we're using Jean Charles palette by Morphie today. And I'm gonna start with the color green that is dark and it's called Daddy. Then I use a tiny brush, put the color in there. Don't stress about blending or anything like that right now. Just gonna put the color into the crease. And of course I did this wing kind of shape, so I'm gonna start putting the color in the crease, and then at the end we just drag it out and up. This crazy color, and let's blend the edges a little bit because for now it looks like I just got punched in the eye. Now let's worry about the actual blending, and for that we're gonna use the color Social Blade. I'm gonna use a blend brush and start blending in circular motions. And you were like, my god, it doesn't look like this. It doesn't have that green. It does has it. It's just like I fit it out later on. So don't worry. You remember what I said in the last video? Make it have to look bad in order to look good. What happens when you blend the edges of a color, of a dark color, is that the color fade out because you're blending it. And that's totally normal. So what we're gonna do is get the color, the daddy, this dark color in here, and just put it in again one more time. See how it's like starting to look like more like this one? I told you that don't get crazy. Just blend. So now we're gonna cut the crease so we can start doing this flag from Ireland that I think is so cute. Cut crease. What you do, you take the same concealer or the base or eyeshadow primer, no, eyeshadow base, eyeshadow primer is clear, the one that you used before, the first step, and your brush. You're just gonna cut crease and just follow the flow of your crease and go up in this line to make that wing illusion. This part is like really stressful for me because you have to be very precise. So for the inner corner, what I used was this e.l.f. glittery liquid eyeshadow, and just pop it out. And it has this applicator, but I'm not using the applicator because I just got my crease and I don't want to mess it up. It's a flat brush like this and tiny. I'm just gonna grab the glitter from the applicator like this. Just gonna pop it up in the inner corner. Okay, the inner corner is ready. So now let's pop out that orange, that beautiful orange in there. So for the orange today, I'm gonna use this rusted color. Oops, sorry. The rusted color in the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna use a flat brush. Same old, same old. Put a little more of orange in here. So now let's put this lighter green. That was the one that is called Social Blade. That is the lighter one. And just gonna make that wing sing. Okay. The green is there, as you can see. So foundation today, I am using this. I'm sorry, it's dirty because I love it so much. I'm always using it. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24 Hour. And I'm in the color Y255. Love it. Full coverage, I'm telling you right now. Just gonna grab the beauty blender and put it all over our face. My concealer, I'm gonna use this Benefit Bow and Cakeless Concealer, and I'm in the shade number 6. Just gonna set this concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm back with my eyebrows done. From bronzer, I'm using the Hoola Benefit. I love this bronzer so much. And an angled brush. Blush, I love blush so much. And I'm using one that is called Zine or something like that. So for the lower lash, I'm gonna use the dark green that I used before called Daddy. That is this green over here. I'm just gonna put it all over my lower lash, and then when I get into the corner, we'll change the color. Quick note, you see how thick it is? When you get it here, close to the inner corner, just lift it up so it won't get that thick, and you will have the nice shapes in your eyes. For the inner corner, we're gonna use this white in here that is called Flashback. I'm gonna put it in the inner corner with a tiny brush. And we're also gonna use that white in my brow bone. With the same brush, we're gonna use this beautiful color that is called Green Light. Hello, where are you? Okay, there you go. There you are. It's time to curl your eyelashes, and for last video, I forgot to bring my, I call this my torture machine. Just gonna pop an eyelash in this eye, and I'll see you back. Hi guys, and I'm back, and this is the finished look for today. So much fun doing this look, and I hope you too. If you did like it, don't forget to give me that thumbs up down below, and to comment what other looks you would like to see, or if you regret this look, send me pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram is here, you should subscribe to, and show me those beautiful looks that you regret inspire in St. Patrick's Day. Have a great St. Patrick's Day, and I hope to see you in 2 weeks, guys. And we'll grow in number,